Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with no-bake chocolate mousse cake recipe. It's very easy to make and delicious too. So let's see how to make that. Here I have 6 digestive biscuits. I'm going to crumble it using a grinder. This will be the bottom layer for our chocolate mousse cake. Now we need to mix this powdered digestive biscuit with some ghee. For this I am using 2 tablespoons of melted ghee. Mix well and make sure it is well combined. Here I have a cake tray. I am greasing it with some butter. Adding biscuit crumbs. Spread it evenly and tightly, which will create the bottom layer for this chocolate mousse cake. Refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare chocolate mousse using some whipping cream. For this, I am using 1 cup of whipping cream. Beat it well using a hand mixer. Beat this until it forms into stiff peaks. It may take around 2 to 3 minutes. So this is the perfect texture. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar or caster sugar. Along with this I am adding 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Mixing it using a spatula. Beat it once again just to combine well. So our chocolate frosting is ready. Spreading it on the top of this. Spread it evenly and refrigerate it for another half an hour. So meanwhile I'm going to make some chocolate ganache, which will be the top layer of this cake. Here I have taken 1/4 cup of dark chocolate, roughly chopping it. I'm melting this using a double boiling method. Once it starts to melt, we can add half a cup of whipping cream. Keep on stirring. So our chocolate ganache is ready. Let it cool completely. After half an hour, you can pour the chocolate syrup on the top of this. I had taken it a bit early from the refrigerator so that the frosting got slightly melted. You can see here. So always make sure frosting is properly set. It may take almost half an hour. Then only you can pour this chocolate ganache. I kept it overnight inside the refrigerator. Now it is ready. Removing from the edges using a knife. Dusting it with some cocoa powder, which is totally optional. So our no-bake chocolate mousse cake is ready to serve. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye-bye.